Are you new to plant parenthood? And do you still need to figure out how to take care of your Monstera? Keep watching this video, and we will help you to be the best plant parent. Monstera Deliciousa, also known as the Swiss cheese plant, is an exotic indoor houseplant with large and leathery leaves. Young plants have leaves that are smaller with no holes, but as they mature, the holes will become apparent. Did you know the holes actually have a function? The large Monstera leaves are better suited to withstand heavy rain and wind because the holes allow the elements to pass through. Taking these beautiful plants into your home comes with some guidelines because their leaves easily turn yellow. Wouldn't you want to see your Monstera transforming from this into this? In this video, we will explain exactly how to stop your Monstera leaves from turning yellow. Here are 5 things you need to know why your Monstera leaves turn yellow. Number 1. Where is your plant located? The environment in which your plant is grown might affect how effectively it develops and how frequently yellow leaves occur. For plants to receive some level of natural light every day from open windows indoors, the room must have adequate illumination or have window exposure. It is also crucial to pay attention to where air conditioning and heating vents are located, because a direct stream of hot or cold air may significantly stress out the plant and cause its leaves to turn yellow and die. 2. Is there enough light? Monstera plants prefer shade and require less light to thrive. Overexposure to sunlight, particularly direct sunlight, can damage the leaves. Monstera can thrive in low-light environments or near windows that receive early morning or late afternoon sunlight. Photosynthesis will be difficult and the plant will struggle to grow if there is insufficient light. Maintaining proper lighting levels can help prevent yellowing of your Monstera plant's leaves. 3. Watering your Monstera. Improper watering, both under and overwatering, can cause Monstera plant leaves to turn yellow. If the leaves feel dry and brittle, they're most likely dying from drowning. If the leaves are moist and appear to be rotting as they turn yellow, this is a sign that there's too much water and the plant is suffering from stem and root rot. Investing in a pot with a drainage hole will aid in the removal of excess moisture. Watering levels and frequency can be increased or decreased. 4. Temperature and humidity. When grown indoors, these plants require a moderate temperature and humidity level. They can become stunted and fail to grow and thrive if it is too cold. If it's too hot, they'll dry out and die quickly. Humidity must also be maintained, and while they prefer warmer temperatures during the winter, they cannot be allowed to dry out, which can be an issue with heating. During the winter, when moisture levels in the home are low, misting the Monstera plant once a day can help. 5. Pests. The Swiss cheese plant is popular as a houseplant because it is hardy and pest-resistant. In most cases, as long as the Monstera is kept healthy and no other plants that can introduce pests into the environment are brought into the home, your plant will likely have few pest problems. Spider mites and fungus gnats are common pests that can attack a weakened or stressed out plant and cause it to lose its leaves. The majority of insect pests that can attack these plants can be avoided by removing dead leaves, keeping the soil clean, and maintaining adequate moisture levels. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.